current time, 444. It's 444. And so it's August 4th. And the day that I wanted to, well, that we're going to celebrate 4 weeks of Cigar Talk, I would have had to work, and I didn't just pay attention to how things have been going. I've done it. I've gone and got more cigars and tobacco and then going to work and things like that, but it's either caused me to be late to work or not go to work. Like, it's just, and I've always, or if I get there on time, I'm just going to have to cut the amount of time that I want to smoke shorter than I already just want to do. So I said, I'm off today, and so I might as well just go ahead and get those things that I want to celebrate Cigar Talk with. 4 weeks of Cigar Talk. So one of those is a new Zippo lighter. One of those is a new Zippo lighter. 111. I ain't even gonna edit this one. I'm gonna just post it. So I have a silver Zippo lighter. I have a gold Zippo lighter. And then, but that silver one is really not, it was a star lighter, not a Zippo lighter. So my first real Zippo lighter was a gold Zippo lighter. And then the next Zippo lighter I actually ordered for myself and got from the website, custom design. And I also got a cigar pipe insert with it as well. And I put the Graffiti Jungle Project Extinction, Tangential Thoughts, all that on that lighter. So that was a red Zippo lighter, but the red on it was like I'm not even sure the type of red you were. It was like a matte red. So this one, I seen this in here, and it was just in the corner actually. And this is a cherry red Zippo lighter. It's a cherry red Zippo lighter. Oh, I should have got it out the box for you. Zippo, cherry red Zippo lighter. So I just put some fluid in it, and we're good to go.